Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to cook hen soup with vegetables. All ingredients below in my info box. In a pot we are going to boil some water and we are going to use garlic, chayote or green squash, carrots, yucca, cabbage, baby corn, potato. You're gonna need chicken cube bouillon, but this is optional. You can use salt and black pepper. And also you're gonna need tortilla, and rice. When the water starts boiling, we're gonna add the ham pieces, vegetables, chicken cube bouillon, but don't forget you can replace it for salt and black pepper to taste. And we're gonna add the baby corn. And then mix everything and semi-cover the pot until the ham pieces and vegetables are cooked. This soup is delicious, guys. You can eat with rice and tortilla, lemon juice, and chili pepper to taste. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliara, and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes. Please follow her in her own videos every Saturday. Follow me on my social networks and please subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.